Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our battery hold down. Of course, you're going to want to locate it down along the side of the battery. We're going to use an 8mm to remove the mounting bolt. Go ahead and reach down and lift that up and out of position. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to install our brand new unit. You're going to find that it came with 2 mounting bolts. This is great because you have a choice of which one you'd prefer to use. Now before we go ahead and put it in there, you're going to have to pick which one you want and then coat the very end of it on the threaded area with some copper never sees. I'll use the longer bolt. Now once I have that on there, I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of this, the plastic area, and slide it down in position. Now when you go to install this, you're going to look at the sides of it. You're going to find one side has the rounded out carved areas, and then on the other side, it has the area that's supposed to press up against the battery. Let's go ahead and take the area that presses up against the battery, we'll slide it down, then we'll line up the curved areas with the proper position in the vehicle. Take that mounting bolt, slide it down there, and snug it up. Now let's just grab onto that battery, give it a wiggle to make sure it's secure. Thanks for watching.